This one is a 1952 Smith Corona Silent. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Got a paper tray back here. Flip that up with your finger. And to set the margins, they're right here in the front. You just push them down and move them wherever you want them. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I was able to type all the letters on a keyboard on one line because it's an Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch. The standard Pica is 10 and 10 per inch, so this one's a little bit smaller. It allows you to type more words on a page. Type a sentence real quick. Misspelled lazy, but that's okay. I'll show you up close. The print's really nice. Really nice typing machine. It's called a Silent, but it is not silent. It's a little bit more muffled than your typical typewriter, so they branded it Silent. To flip, you flip this back and you can pull the paper out easy. It allows you to also load thicker paper like cardstock or carbon copy. It's got a backspace right here. It's got a margin release, so you get to the end of the margin. It stops you from typing. So if you hit the margin release, you can finish typing that word at the end of the margin. It's got a tab function. You hit the tab, it's supposed to stop at your set tabs, but this one does not have any inserts for the tabs. So you'd have to find those if you're really interested in or makeshift something that sets on there to stop at each one of those tabs. So what it's supposed to do is this mechanism is supposed to catch an insert on this pole here, and it'll stop at that. Open the hood, got the spools. All the ribbon is loaded onto this side, so we have it pulling to that side. And if you want to switch the direction, you flip that switch right there, and it'll start pulling to this side. It's got a touch control right here. What that does is it just loads a spring, so you don't have to hit the keys as hard. If it's on high, they get to hit the keys harder for them to type. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.